Hello everybody and welcome at the BMW E36 and E46 vlog. In this episode it's about the first part is broken again. So the very first part I bought for the E46 is now broken again, and it's about this part. I'm going to show you guys later what it is, and I already pre-calculated it. I bought the E46 in 2014. We at 2021 right now, so that's approximately 6 to 7 years. So let's say 7 years. I bought it with 220k on the clock, and I'm heading to 400,000k now, so that's 180k. So this little part lasted for 180,000 kilometers and 7 years. And first I'm going to show you what Miele is saying. Original quality, and they also claim better than original quality, and that is more with your carrying arms, because you can disassemble them and they say it lasts 5 times longer. This is not a promotional vlog, but I can say from my experience that it is better than original quality. I'm going to show you now what it is, and it is the screen wash pump. So this is the very first part that I bought for the E46, and I let it replaced by the BMW dealer, and it's very simple, you can do it yourself, but I didn't know that back then. So the only thing where I'm worried about, I don't care if this is going to be broken after a year or so. I do use it every day, and I hope that the pressure is the same as original BMW parts. So how does it work? It's very simple. On top here you have the stacker for your electronics. Here at the side the hose comes on, it goes to your hood and your nozzles, and the bottom here is going into your water reservoir. If you don't have the nozzles for your xenon headlights, then you have a white unit. I like the one with the black top on it better, but then it has 2 pumps, so one for your screen wash and the other one for your headlights. What you can do is buy 2 pumps and then top it off and use the black one, but that's a thing for later. I really need this screen wash pump. As you can see here, the brand Miele. This is like the same as when your key doesn't work. Actually it's malfunctioning now, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. And when you don't have this or a good working key, then you see what you miss if you don't have it again. That's what they say, and it's true. I'm going to do that later. You have to empty your reservoir. If you don't do that, that's like the same as replacing your oil filter in between surfaces. It gets a little bit messy. The only thing is with this, it doesn't matter if it comes on the ground so much. So I'm going to do that. Of course, I'm going to put this on back. I bought some new screen wash. So the E46 needs 5 liters of screen wash. It doesn't really matter what brand you are buying. I don't like the stuff that you have to mix with water. It's very cheap, so you can better have it pre-mixed. The only thing that you have to watch is that you buy the pink one for the summer and the blue one for the winters, because there's anti-frizz in it, and if you don't use that one, so if you use this in the winter, then there doesn't going to come any screen wash out, and that's not what you want. So for now I'm going to use the pink one, and I'm going to do that tomorrow. It's a quick job. I hope it works. Of course also your fuse can be broken, already checked it, or something else. It's probably the pump, because I don't hear the sound, and I'm going to try it tomorrow. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and I'm going to try something else, but it probably works. So then it works again. So talk to you guys tomorrow. Later. and we're in the garage. This is like seriously a 1-minute job, but the pump is falling next to the engine, so it's somewhere into my plastic, so I have to go find it there. Really. So it's actually 5.3 liter. The pump is in, so we're going to check if it works. So you can't really see from the outside if it's broken. It's a little bit rusty over here. Original BMW. Okay guys, it works. In my case it was the pump. If it isn't your pump and it isn't your fuse, I'm going to show you what fuse to check. Then it could be a broken wire or a little bit corrosion inside your clamps. So you can replace it without cleaning out the reservoir, but it is getting a little bit messy. But if you wear gloves and yeah, you do it quickly, it is possible. So I did it. So if it was helpful, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates for the BMW E46 and the E36 as well. Peace.